Hi, my name is Cristian Camilo Castaña Niño. I am a student of the course of Cine English does Word 4. This is my activity of speaking, and my tutor is Cindy Carolina Onilla Orjuela. This is my anecdote of my life before the pandemic. Before the pandemic, I was working at the University of Cundinamarca as security guard. I studied industrial engineering in the UNAT. Also, I was training at the gym. My girlfriend and me were out riding our motorcycles, knowing little towns. Um, we had the project of buying our apartment, which we postponed due to the difficult situation. I played soccer with a group of friends, but when they start to notify us that we couldn't leave the house, I couldn't continue playing. When I was worked, I shared free time with my family and my girlfriend. Thanks.